To my husband, I promise to love you without condition, to honor you each day, to laugh with you when you're happy, to support you when you're sad, to guide you when you ask for direction, to challenge you to be a better and allow me to do the same for me. I love you and I'll give you my heart and devotion. P.S. Can't wait to see you later and call you my husband. Love, Sandra.
Is it the people? Is it the room that looks the same? The conversations? 'Cause I thought I heard your name, or just illusions. Somehow I just can't explain what reminds me of you. Am I lonely? Is it really you I'm missing, or just somebody? I think I've got mixed feelings with Bacardi. Somehow I just can't explain, 'cause I don't want me to want you. Oh, I try not to think about what she's like, and I try not to wonder where you've been. And I try to have a drink, toss it back, I don't wanna think. I really try not to miss you, but in the end I do, I do, I do, I do.
To my future wife, words cannot describe how I feel right now. Somehow my heart are racing and I'm nervous, but not because I'm scared, but because every time I think about you, there's this energy that takes control over me and makes me go crazy about you. Just like the first time I saw you, I would have never guessed that tomorrow I will become your husband and under God's eyes. But I truly believe that God has a plan for each and every one for us. And I could not be more thankful with God to put you on my path. I go back to those days when things were rough and distant, but I paused our journey. You made me impossible to make me feel close to you. Those letters will always be close to my heart. You put a smile on my face every time I need one. You cheered me up every time I fell down, and you felt proud of me. Every day that I went by, I have become the man because of you. I will love you, respect you, honor you, and take care of you more than my own life. You are my rock, my best friend, and the place that I get to call home. I cannot wait to see you later and say yes to the life of my life. I love you, Santiago.
I do, I do, I do, I do.
It's getting late and people heading off, neighbors complaining, and the music stops, but here I'm waiting for you to show up like that would happen. I can't remember the reasons we broke up, but just remember all of the good stuff. So can I call you so you can remind me why?
I know you guys are ready for this, right? You have 100 people? You think you can do it now?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's going to be the first as a married couple. You ready for this? Okay, go easy, right? Very easy. Go ahead. Give it a try. Go ahead.
I do, 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 I do.
The party's over, and I'm scared to feel the same way.
When I wake up, when I'm sober and it's Sunday, will I miss you? When I'm lonely in my bed, or will I feel like I'll be okay?